Sir, wait a minute. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bachchan sir. Sir,
चलो
इसके पीछे देखो, लेडीज है, सर यहाँ सामने सामने
सर यार राइट साइड प्लीज। सर यार सामने। सर यार राइट साइड। सर लेफ्ट
सामने
लेफ्ट साइड प्लीज।
थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए, सबको पीछे हो जाइए,
थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ।
थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ,
थोड़ा कैमरा।
सर लेफ्ट
सर यहाँ पे सामने
थोड़ा कैमरा
मैम सामने
सर लेफ्ट सर एकदम सामने
रुक जाओ।
Wow, what a moment. A father, a mentor, and an angel, Shri Adesh Srivastav. Well, without taking any much time, it's now time to call the superstar of the millennium, the winner of our hearts. Zordar तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji and the rising star of the Hindi film industry. Give it up for Avitesh aka Avi. Can you have a huge round of applause for the two of them, two stars on stage, the superstar and the rising star together. एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजनी चाहिए, everybody, hands together. Sir, ये मौका आपके साथ स्टेज पर आने का, this is one of our dream come true. And अब, before we start off, you've seen the AV, you've seen the visuals. कुछ जो आप नहीं मैं अभी थोड़ी देर में वो ये जो ट्रिब्यूट आपने देखा, you've been associated with Shri Adesh Srivastav ji. He's been great. He's somebody who produced music very beautifully. Bagban, Babul, Major Saab, Sona Sona, Shawa Shawa. Something that you'd love to share, sir.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी का। समझ में नहीं आता कि कहाँ से शुरू किया जाए। आदेश और मैं एक दूसरे को अपना भाई समझते थे, वो मेरे छोटे भाई, और न जाने कब हम लोगों का रिश्ता बना और एक दूसरे के साथ रात बेरात हम लोग उनके स्टूडियो में बैठ करके, कोई ख़ास वजह नहीं होती थी, बस साथ में बैठ करके कुछ संगीत बनाना, कुछ धुनें बनानी, और ऐसे ही करते करते बहुत सी चीज़ें बन गई। आज अवितेश को आगे बढ़ते हुए देख करके मुझे बड़ा गर्व हो रहा है, और मेरी शुभकामनाएं हमेशा थी इनके साथ। आज एक आशीर्वाद के रूप में इन्होंने मुझे बुलाया। हालांकि मुझे आशीर्वाद देने की हिम्मत नहीं है, क्योंकि इनका जो टैलेंट है वो कहीं ज़्यादा उत्तम है। मेरे बाबूजी ने एक कविता लिखी थी, बस मेरे बाबूजी ने एक पंक्तियाँ लिखी थी, वसीयतनामा जो होता है ना, जो विल होता है, जो लोग मरने के बाद लिख करके जाते हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि उनको कुछ लोगों ने सलाह दी कि आप अपना, ये कविता का उसमें शीर्षक था कि आप अपना वसीयतनामा लिख दीजिए, आजकल कुछ पता नहीं होता बच्चे किस तरह से जाएं, क्या हो, तो आप अपना लिख करके दे दीजिए। तो उसमें एक पंक्ति जो थी वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई कि मेरे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे। विजय जी, आप समझ रहे होंगे, मेरे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे, जो मेरे उत्तराधिकारी होंगे वो मेरे बेटे होंगे।
क्या बात।
और इसका उदाहरण जो है ये अवितेश जी हैं, क्योंकि ये सही मानों में, क्योंकि ये आदेश के बेटे हैं, उत्तराधिकारी हैं, इसलिए ये उनके बेटे हैं। बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको अवितेश। और अब हम इनका किया हुआ
जस्ट मोमेंट सर, इनफैक्ट इसीलिए कहते हैं कि ज़िंदगी तस्वीर भी है और तकदीर भी। मन चाहे रंग मिल जाए तो तस्वीर बन जाते हैं, और बच्चन सर का साथ मिल जाए तो तकदीर बन जाती है। सर,
Do I have to press any button?
Yes, yes. In fact, Avi, if you would like to share something before we go ahead and do that.
First of all, आप सभी को मेरा हार्दिक प्रणाम. And I'd really like to thank everybody who's come here to support me. My godfather, Amit Uncle, is here. इनका आशीर्वाद लिए बगैर मेरे से ये कार्य कभी नहीं हो पाता. It's a very emotional moment क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा तो nervous हूँ एक तो. And I really wish that my father was here today with us. And बस अब अंकल का आशीर्वाद है, आप सबका blessing है. My mom's here. I would really like to thank Ideal and SM Entertainments and everybody associated to my project to give me blessings. But especially Amit Uncle. आपके बिना yes यहाँ तक मैं कभी नहीं पहुँच पाता आपके आशीर्वाद के बिना Uncle. Thank you Uncle. So Uncle would play the song now and just आप लोग बताएं.
Absolutely, sir. But before we do that, we'd like to present you something. And can I invite on stage Mr. Vijay Dada, owner of Lokmat? Zordar Talia ho jaye as we welcome him on stage. Also from SM Entertainment, we'd like to invite Ms. Tracy, Rosina, and Mr. Salim, and Mr. Iqbal, and Mr. Prasanna from Ideal Entertainment. There's a very special letter, a thank you letter that has come all the way from Canada, from Ms. Collins. He's been a Speaker of the House, and he's written a wonderful letter. So we'd like to present the letter. May I request Mr. Prasanna to actually read out a few words. It's the collaboration that happens with Indian music and Canadian music that has been appreciated, and we'd like to thank Mr. Button for joining in this. Mr. Prasanna, I'm passing the mic to you.
A very good evening to you all. On behalf of SM Entertainment and Ideal Entertainment, I wish to thank all of you for taking the time to grace this event with your presence. Today we have gathered here not just to celebrate the launching of a new star, but also to give regards to the values and morals which this industry exemplifies. Avitesh is one such example who has made his parents proud through his talent and perseverance, and now he is embarking on a journey to make an immense contribution to the music industry, both here and globally. Dear Shri Amitabh Bachchan, on behalf of our team, it is indeed an honor to have you grace this special occasion with your presence and to give your blessings to Avitesh on the launching of this debut single. We are all inspired by your great words of wisdom, which have always been a positive influence to so many people around the world. Also for your continuous support for the importance of education for all, including women and girls, so that they will be prepared to handle the future challenges of our generation and have the knowledge to defeat ignorance and inequity. We do look forward to continuing beyond this event for your future collaboration and exchange of ideas, so that we can defeat ignorance and accomplish the extraordinary. Once again, I would like to express my sincere thanks for honoring, to you all for honoring this occasion and providing encouragement and guidance to this rising star, Avitesh Srivastrava. Unfortunately, Avi's manager, a dear friend and colleague of mine, Mr. Michael Fredericks, who's also a producer of this single that is being debuted tonight, founder of SM Entertainment, he apologizes for not being able to make it due to unavoidable circumstances that came up. He would like to convey his best wishes to Avitesh and family as well, as all those who have dedicated their time and support to make this event a successful and memorable one. Mike too would like to take this wonderful opportunity to sincerely extend his appreciation and thanks to Shri Amitabh Bachchan, who has graced this auspicious occasion with his presence and blessings. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
May I request Ms. Rosina to present the letter? Absolutely, sir. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you for the team from Ideal and SM Entertainment for joining. And thank you, Mr. Raza, for joining in. Now the moment, sir.
I'd just like to thank the wonderful musicians and great musicians that have put their minds, hearts, and talent together to bring Avitesh to this stage. Without the cooperation of a wonderful team, nothing is possible in today's world, and I'm sure that your contribution will go a long way. What I said in Hindi, I'd like to repeat it again in English because some of you are Hindi challenged. So I said that मेरे बेटे बेटे होने से मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे. Just because you are my son, you will not become my inheritors. Those that will be my inheritors will be my son. And he is a true inheritor of his father's talent. Thank you very much.
And sir, now the moment, yes, you had multiple roles, but this time we're going to say lights, camera, action. That's when you're going to black out, and then we'll proceed with the video.
All right.
Absolutely, sir. We're waiting for your call. And then we can go off stage. Once you say action, हम off stage जाएंगे, blackout होगा और video play होगा.
पूरा बोलना है, lights, camera, action.
बिल्कुल सर, अपने अंदाज में.
Lights, camera, action.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, what a moment. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for Avitesh, aka Avi in the house. May I request Sir and Avi to please join us back on stage for a quick moment. Sir, just to know your reactions on the video. Please, Avi, for a quick moment on stage.
Adesh will be a very proud father looking at us from the heavens today. And his son has really lived up to his reputation, and I hope in the years to come, Avitesh, you will take his name even further. I'm pretty confident of that. I'm sure that all of you will appreciate the talent that Avitesh has just shown to all of us, not just in his singing. Incidentally, the one that he dedicated to his father with the portrait, that song has also been sung by Avitesh, just in case you were wondering what it was. And the words were also written by you, and this is a true love and affection that a son has shown to his father. It's a lovely moment, ladies and gentlemen. I really, as I said, I fall short of words because of the relationship that Adesh and me shared. And I hope that all of you will lend your support to this young man and make him even more popular than his very revered and loved father. Thank you.
Avi, finally the single is out. It's your moment of glory. You know, everybody, friends, family, the entire fraternity is here. Few words, something that you'd share.
I really like to thank everybody who's here. You know, आप सभी को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने मेरा काम देखा. बस आपका आशीर्वाद चाहता हूँ that I can make my mom proud, uncle proud and my father proud. And सब अपने भाइयों को proud करूँ. And take the country ahead and represent India in a global platform with Ideal and SM Entertainment. And take the music. The music has no boundaries, what I've learned. You know, we express through our talent and our melodies. That's how we communicate with the world. And that's how I've met Ideal SM. And my friends who have flown down specially from New York, Penthouse Studios, Dr. Jesse, raise your hands up. All right, let's go. So I'm really feel happy to be having great people in my life and to take India on a global platform through music and also represent some good songs and good work in India, uncle. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Wow, can we have a huge cheer for Avi? Avi, that trademark thing that you do with your voice, that को क्या करते हैं?
अरे यार, अभी कल तो तुम हमारे सामने पैदा हुए थे, इतनी जल्दी कैसे बढ़?
Wonderful. And sir, we'd like to present something to you. In fact, आप इनकलाब में believe करते हैं, and there's a gentleman who believes in revolution. He's a philanthropist and the director at Ample Mission. तो जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए Dr. Anil Kashi Murarka का. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause as he's here to present something. So coincidentally, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan पे एक बहुत interesting film बनी थी, and you had tweeted, in fact, you had given your voice for that film. So Mr. Murarka is here, and we're going to present 3 generations of the Bachchan family together in a painting. It's a very beautiful painting by Mr. Saini, जो उन्होंने create किया है. Right here, all 3 generations, sir. आपके पिताजी, साथ में आप, and Mr. Abhishek Bachchan also. Saini ji, मैं request करूँ, please, if you could also join in. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Murarka. Okay. All right. And also presenting special wishes to Mr. Bachchan. Also, there is a legendary Vastu Shastra expert. We all know him. Mr. Basant R. Raswasia is joining us on stage. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye as he comes to share his blessings for Avi. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for him as we join in. Also joining in is Mr. Naresh Makwana and Mr. Mukesh Makwana of Dhupchao Agarbattis joining in, because they've really, they are family, they've extended their support. Ji haan, Pradhan Mantri ke yahan se ya fir the who's who of the industry, they are having these Dhupchao Agarbattis with them. So may I request Mr. Himanshu Mehta also to join in along with Mr. Naresh Makwana and Mr. Mukesh Makwana. They're going to present a special hamper. Also joining in quickly, Mr. Jagdish Rao from Venkis. He's been a support for all of us right here. He's been family. Mr. Rao, if you can quickly join us on stage. Also, Mr. Anil Garg from Tour India and Mr. Arvind Bhandari from Minimax and Riaz Ganji from Libas. The entire team together for a quick photo op. It's a very special moment for all of us. एंड सर लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, यहाँ पर माँ का आशीर्वाद होता है तो दुनिया आपके साथ है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा विजेता जी, प्लीज़ इफ यू कुड जॉइन अस. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए और बिग लाउड चीयर एज यू वेलकम हर ऑन स्टेज. Ma'am, few words before we round off. This is going to be the last minute.
Good evening, everybody, my friends, my husband's friends. Today is a very special day for me because it's my son Avitesh's launch is being done. And I have to thank a lot of people for this, especially Amit Dada, he's always been with us in our good times, bad times. And I have no words to thank him. ये हमारे परिवार के सबसे बड़े सदस्य ही मैं मानती हूँ और मेरे हस्बैंड आदेश जी भी यही मानते थे. ये हमारे सबसे बड़े दादा हैं हमारी फैमिली के. I have no words to thank him, but I would like to thank few people who have been associated in this album and helped Avitesh for making this album. Our SM Entertainment from America and Idol Entertainment from Canada. I would like to thank Mr. Says, Mr. Michael, and what's her name? Tracy. And above all, I would like to thank Mr. Bala Venkatesh of Vankies, and his son Jagdish, who has been his friend since his childhood. And I'm very much grateful to them for helping Avitesh to make this album. And thank you everybody for being here with us. It's a special day. I wish Adesh was there, because Adesh hamesha chahte the, he wanted to see Avitesh on screen. And I'm sure if he's not there, his blessings are always with Avitesh. And he always wanted Avitesh to become an actor like Dada. And मैं दादा को कहूँगी आशीर्वाद दे कि ये बड़ा हीरो बने, आर्टिस्ट।
क्यों हमारे पेट पे लात मार रहे हो यार? बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हो, वही कर रहे हो।
Thank you so much for being here.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big thank you to the entire team, PR by Narad and event managed by Third Rock Entertainment. Arnav, you totally rock. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. We really appreciate you joining us this evening. Anusha ji, a very big thank you to you as well. Thank you, Mr. Murarka. Thank you, Vijay sir. Thanks to the entire team.
देख वो फाइट करने जा रहा है, देख आओ दे फाइट कर रहा है। ये मीना है, वो बोले हम लोग कुछ नहीं, ये बोले हाँ मैं इसको आगे जाना पड़ेगा, आगे आगे
यस भाई यार एक मिनट
I request the board to quickly join us on stage for a quick photo op and to celebrate together. Vijay ji हमारे साथ हैं on stage. Welcome.
नीचे से एक्सक्यूज मी नीचे से
First, I'll move aside. Just first leg पे आओ, वरना गिर जाओगे.
Requesting Yeah, Vijay, Ali, please join us.
अरे तुम लोग पीछे हो यार, टेक
ऐसा क्या ले रहा है यार?
इसके ऊपर मत गिर जाना।
सेंटर से यार पूरा फ्लैश ये हो रहा है, बीच में आ रहा है, एक ही नहीं आ रहा है।
सर मैं नीचे आऊंगा फिर वापस ऊपर नहीं आऊंगा। नहीं अरे दुर्गेश तो पीछे हो जाइए, बहुत चिल्ला यार, करो यार लोग कम रखे
भाई सेंटर में आ जाओ, सेंटर में आ जाओ। आप हो ना उधर, आप रहो, मैं साइड से रहता हूँ। नहीं नहीं नहीं, सेंटर से ले लो। अरे आप हो ना, नहीं उधर उधर से, सेंटर तो उधर आ जाओ।
जी, we are waiting for you on stage in just about these 2 minutes after Sima Chakra on stage. Blue team please also join us. Blue team, we want to say that we are Mukesh ji, always ready to meet you. Waiting for you, sir. 2 minutes after Sima Chakra. We just feel the team ready right now. You walk out of the sir. एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाएं, ladies and gentlemen, for the rising superstar of the entertainment industry.
अजय एलसीडी तोड़ेगा।
Avi in the house right here. John Joey and the celebration as well. Mukesh जी हमारे साथ। नहीं परफेक्ट मूवी था वाला मूवमेंट।
अजय तो नहीं, तू ही आगे।
Alright, we will present something to you right now. जी हाँ, माँ का आशीर्वाद है। लेकिन कहते हैं जब श्री गणेश हो और गणपति बाबा साथ में हो, तो ये मोमेंट परफेक्ट मोमेंट होता है। So ladies and gentlemen, जी हाँ, हमारे गणपति बाबा हमारे साथ हैं। तो गणपति बाबा, बोलिए, beautiful, beautiful. You remember the song again?
शानदार साथ में राइट लुक करो कैमरा पीछे ले। अरे हाथ आ रहा है
आया आज नीचे आ गया, चलो चलो चलो